Hey guys, Beardicus here, the One Take Wonder. In this video, I'm going to be looking at unboxing the Retroflag NES Pi Plus. NES Pi Case Plus. That was a mouthful. So this is for the Raspberry Pi 3 down. It's not for the Raspberry Pi 4. Although I'm sure there's going to be some people out there that can, modify these to work with the Raspberry Pi 4. All right, so in saying that, let's unbox it. We'll see what we get inside. There's the box there. All right, so first things first, we've got a screwdriver. I'm sure that will come in handy. You've got a rolling screwdriver. You've got a little instruction set there for how to install it for the different types of Pis. Like that there. And then you've got the actual case itself, which, there we go. Inside we've got, please remove SD card before installing the Raspberry Pi. So there's a little message there inside. I'll keep that aside for a second. You've got a little packet of screws. So this was all inside, I might say, inside the actual case itself. And then you've got that'll be for power and so forth. That'll be for transferring the ports to the front, and that's for the Ethernet. So that's all hidden behind the actual front flap there. The buttons are functional, which is good. 2 USB ports there, 2 USB ports there, and the Ethernet port there. On the side, that's where the SD card slot is. And then on the back, you've got your micro SD card for power, then HDMI and the video out. So that's why it's only compatible with the Raspberry Pi 3Bs down. It's unfortunate, but I'm sure given a bit of time, there'll be more Raspberry Pi 4 cases. I've got a couple of unboxings already on this channel and my TechWizTime channel in regards to Raspberry Pi 4 cases and so forth. So check those out. I'll just show you also inside the little flap there. So those ports are hidden, which is really, really nice. Anyway, that was the unboxing of the Retroflag NES Pi Case Plus for the Raspberry Pi 3B down. That was pretty cool. All right, I've got other cases being unboxed on this channel, so make sure you subscribe. I'll leave any links that I can down in the description below. Like I said, this is a one-take video, so you're going to see no cuts. You're going to see all the bad filming that I can do and all the pausing and all that sort of thing. So yeah, it's just part of this channel. So if you enjoy this sort of interaction where it's pure raw and all that sort of thing, subscribe here. If you like more professional videos, subscribe over on TechWizTime. That's my main channel. And yeah, share this and like this video if you can. That'd be great as well. All right, thanks guys.